everybody, this is John from SUPCASE.
And I'm Shannon with Gateway Classic Cars.
And today we're going to be running over a Note9 in a UB Pro with this 1962 Chevy Nova. So we're right here in front of the SUPCASE offices. First, we have the Galaxy Note9, $1,000 phone. But we also have the OnePlus 5T. So before we ruin a $1,000 phone, we're going to run over the OnePlus and see if the UB Pro can stand up to 1.5 tons of American muscle and see if this phone survives. Ready to rev it up? Ready? Let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Out. Nothing. That's insane. Look at it. It's working. This is crazy. You see this? Wow, this is very slow. Nothing.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's just a rock.
Both tires.
Yeah, both tires. It moves a little tiny bit.
Just a little bit, yeah.
A little tiny bit, but yeah, it's that flat.
That's a tough case, ain't it?
It's a tough case.
Wow.
Yeah, this thing survives everything. That's insane.
That is. Wow.
So now we're gonna try running over a Galaxy Note9 with the UB Pro, running it over with the car. So that very heavy, classic car, we're gonna see how well it stands up. All right, start your engine. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Look at that! That thing survived just fine. Whoa, nothing. This thing's still tank. And then the crazy thing is, all it did was scratch up a little bit of the screen protector, but I'd rather have it do that than it actually crack my screen. There we go. Wow. Yeah, and it lifts up maybe a tiny bit, but that's it.
Yeah, it don't move at all.
That's it. That's
rock solid, ain't it?
Yeah, no, it didn't even crack the back or anything, so.
It's almost like riding over concrete, ain't it?
Yeah, that's right. finally got to prove it.
Yeah, it's approved.
It's proved.
Car approved.
Myth busted.
There you go.
All right, thanks again, Shannon.
We thank you.
Thank you, Gateway Classic Cars, for letting us come out here and try some of their cool cars to run over our UB Pro. Thank you, Gateway.
Thank you.
Thanks everybody for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more, share, and let us know in the comments what kind of car you want to see next. Links in the description below. Again, I'm John from SUPCASE. We'll see you next time.